the old people using is this one for the knife and the harrow using, and the stone is more expensive.
So this is ancient.
Yeah, it's older.
Ancient.
Ancient.
So what Indians do you think were using this?
Yeah, it's the Indians. It's the Olmecas, maybe Olmecas. In the area, it's Olmecas. It's using the living in Olmecas. And the Indians Olmecas using the stones.
Wow. And then there's another one over here.
Have more.
And they sharpen their knives?
Yeah, sharpen the knife.
Or sharpen rocks
It's only
to turn into knives.
Yeah, it's for the vessel and the stone. The knife
Bone?
bones, the knife bones and the stones. Not using iron.
Wow. That's pretty incredible.
Yeah.
Ancient tool making. And this is at the spring here. Nice and cool down here to hang out and sharpen your rocks. The Olmec knew how to live. Thanks, Aiden.
You're welcome.